beautiful, lush gardens everywhere. This is just one of the restaurants that they have here. This is outside. And because weather is so beautiful here in Southern California, you can eat outside probably 7-8 months a year with no trouble. And for those months it's a little chilly, they have heaters. So you could eat outside most of the time. And this building is wrapping around the eating area, so you wouldn't have any wind in here either. Isn't it beautiful? All the beautiful palm trees. This is what you think of California being like. Spanish architecture and palm trees. Beautiful, beautiful. So many beautiful gardens here. So many beautiful pathways to follow. This could be an all-day video too, as you can see. So many beautiful things to see. Is it not beautiful down there? And at night it's all lit up. This is a really, really big bell, as you are going to see in just a minute. Just giving you a chance to read the sign. Oh my gosh, is that not big? That thing is taller than I am. It's probably 6 feet tall. It's really, really big. Beautifully cast. Look at how beautiful all the detail work is on this.